Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are trying on the Alo Yoga Sway Bootcut sweatpants and the alosoft finesse tee. Now I have quite a few of the alosoft and ribbed t-shirts or long sleeve shirts, and I absolutely love them. I actually ended up picking up this alosoft t-shirt but in a long sleeve version, and I absolutely love it. The material is different, or it feels different than the alosoft leggings, so if you're used to those more like heathered leggings, this is going to be a little bit more buttery smooth, almost comparable to like an Align material, but more on the soft side, so like a soft Align material. Now these Bootcut sweatpants, I was super excited to try on. Honestly, they kind of reminded me of like 90s style, so that's why I put at the beginning of this video, like, are these Gen Z style or are these really like a 90s style making a comeback, question mark? Let me know in the comments below what you think. Now, I didn't know that I was gonna like these as much as I did. I kind of am a firm believer that if something piques my interest even a little bit at Alo Yoga, I am going to try it on because I'm always pleasantly surprised here. And I will say, I really liked these overall for the fit. I think the fit was really nice. They felt, you know, comfy and cozy, and like they had some compression without being uncomfortable. I did try on an extra small, and I'm usually an extra small or a small in Alo Yoga, usually an extra small in sweatpants, but because these are kind of like a hybrid, I feel like I could go either way. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you like these? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.